Good morning class 10. This is your part 3 video from exercise 9.3, that is arithmetic and geometric progression. Today we start from the question number 2, okay, because in last video we did up to question number 1. So today's question number 2. Question number 2 is that 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus plus 10. Find the sum of this and AP. Okay, so you see the first term is also given, last term is also given. Okay, so we know that the sum formula when last term is given, n upon 2 bracket start a plus l, that is first term plus last term. But the question is that we have seen first term 34, last term 10, but where is the n? So first of all we calculate n, that means how many terms are there from 34 to 10. Okay, how many terms are there in this series? So we calculate general term. Okay, formula exercise 9.2. okay, so general term formula we know that a n minus 1 d. When last term is given we use here l, so l is given 10 a, that means first term is given 34 plus n minus 1 and d is difference. We know that the difference a2 minus a1, that is 32 minus 34, that is minus 2. 32 minus 34, that is minus 2. Okay, so 10 minus 34 equals to n minus 1 by minus 2, so minus 24 by minus 2 n minus 1, so 24 divided by 2, that is 12 equals to n minus 1. So 12 plus 1 is equals to n, therefore n equals to 13. Then we get the value of n, that means from 34 to 10 there are 13 terms. Okay, so in place of n we write down 13 upon 2, in place of a we write down 34, and l for last term is given. So 13 upon 2 by 44, that is 22, so 13 into 22. 286. Okay, 286. Note. Now question number 3.1. In question number 3.1 you see given a equals to 5, that is first term, d is equals to 3, that is difference, and an, that is 50. Find n and sn. These two question find out. Okay, so this one is given an equals to 50, an equals to 50, that means a plus n minus 1 d equals to 50. In place of a we write down 5, n minus 1, in place of d we write down 3 is equals to 50. So n minus 1 3, 50 minus 5, okay, n minus 1 3, 45, this 3 go this side, that is n minus 1 is equals to 45 by 3, that is 15. So n minus 1 equals to 15, n equals to 15 plus 1, that is 16. Okay, and we got it. Now the term for the calculate this sum Sn formula we know that n upon 2 by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn, that is 16, because n is here is 16. Okay, n upon 2, that is 16 upon 2 a place is 5 plus n minus 1 is 16 minus 1 and d is 3. So 16 upon 2 is 8, 2 5s are 10, 16 minus 1 15 into 3, so 8, 10 plus 45, so 8 into 55, that is 440. So Sn is 440. Okay, note. Question number 5. Question number 5. The first and the last term of an AP are 17 minus 350 respectively if the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? Okay, that means the first term and last term of an AP is given. First term is 17 and last term is 350 is given, and the common difference is 9. Difference is plus 9, that means 17 plus 9, that is 26, 26 plus 9, that is 35, like this one. Okay, difference is 9 is given. How many terms are there? That means from 17 to 50 in this series, how many terms are there? So first of all, you calculate an calculate n, that means n calculate and find their sum, that is Sn. These two questions are there to calculate it. Okay, so first of all, A is 17 is given, L is 350 is given, and D is 9 is given. So an equals to a plus n minus 1d. An, that means last term is given, so we use L, that is L is 350, a 17, and don't know, d is 9. So 350 minus 70 is n minus 1, 9. So that is 333 equals to, this 9 is come here, that is n minus 1. So 9 3 ja 27, 6 9 7 ja 63, that is 37 equals to n minus 1. Okay, so 37 plus 1 equals to n, therefore n equals to 37 plus 1, that is 38. Okay, now we get the n. How many terms are there? So there are 38 terms, and what is their sum? That is sum. So Sn equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So Sn, that is as 38, 38 upon 2, 2a 17, n minus 1, and d, n is 38 minus 1, and d is 9. So 38 by 2, 2 into 7, 34, plus 37 into 9. So here is 19, 38 divided by 2, that is 19, 34, so 19 plus 7, 19 into 367. Okay, so 367 into 19. That is 6973 is the sum of this AP. Okay, note. Okay, question number 8. Find sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equals to 7 and 22nd term is 149. Okay, find the sum of 22 terms, that is as 22 we find out, of an AP in which D is given and 22 is also given, 22 term is also given, 149. Find the sum of 22 terms. Okay, so this one is given. What is given? A 22 equals to 149. So a plus n minus 1 d equals to 149. A, that is first term, is not given, so we use a in place of a, okay, n 22 term minus 1 d is 7 equals to 144. So a 21 into 7 equals to 144. So a 147 equals to 144. So a 144 minus 147. So a is equals to minus 3. We get the value of a. Now S22. Sn formula is n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S22, n place is 22 upon 2, 2 in place of a, that is minus 3, okay, n 22 minus 1 and d is 7. So 22 by 2, that is 11, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 22 minus 1, that is 21 into 7. So 11 minus 6 plus 147. 11 into 141. So answer is 1551. Okay, note. Question number 10. If the third term of an AP is 1 and sixth term is minus 11, find the sum of its first 32 terms. If the third term of an AP is 1, third term is 1, that is A3 is 1, and sixth term is minus 11, find the sum of its 32 term, that means S32, find out. Okay, so A3 is equals to 1, that is A plus n minus 1 d equals to 1 is given. So a in place of n, that is 3 minus 1 d equals to 1. So a plus 2d equals to 1, this is equation 1. Okay, so a plus n minus 1 d equals to minus 11. A plus, in place of n we write 6, 6 minus 1 d is minus 11. So a plus 5d equals to minus 11, this is equation 2. Okay, subtracting equation 1 and equation 2, we get a plus 2d equals to 1, a plus 5d equals to minus 11. During the subtraction we know that the sign getting changed. This one cancel, this one is minus 3d, this one is 12. Okay, so therefore d equals to minus 12 upon 3, that is minus 4. So d is minus 4. Okay, putting value of d in equation 1. Equation 1 is a plus 2d equals to 1. A plus 2 in place of d, write down minus 4 equals to 1. A plus minus minus 2 4s are 8 is 1. A 1 plus 8, that is 9. Done. So we find out a and d. Okay, now the question is S32 for. So Sn equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So in place of n, that is 32, sum of 32 terms. So 32 by 2, 2. A is 9 plus n minus 1, 32 minus 1, and d is minus 4. So d is minus 4. So 32 by 2, that is 16. 2 9 ja 18 plus 32 minus 1, that is 31 into minus 4. So 16, 18 plus minus minus 4, 12. So 4, 16 into minus 106. Okay, so minus 106 into 6, minus 1696. Okay, note.